If you have somebody in your family that is hard to shop for, then I think this video is going to help you out. All right, getting into this Amazon haul. The first thing that I think everybody can use is more water. I love this really big jug from Amazon. It has all of the time stamps on here and a nice little message. And this is basically a gallon. So what I like to do is I like to buy 5 to 7 gallons of water. And I just put the gallon into this container basically, just because I like the fact that I can push this up and then the spout comes up, push it down. Now my spout is out of the way. It's not getting any dust, any type of bacteria on it. And it has a lanyard and I can hold it like this, maybe even do some curls, you know, get a little arm exercise in. But water is something that everyone needs. Not to mention, when I actually drink this, on the days that I actually fill this up and drink it, I feel like a whole new person. Half of the problems that we have is because of dehydration. I'm just gonna say that. Moving on. The next thing that I think you should pick up from somebody that you love on your Christmas list, and this can be male or female. I don't think teenagers would really appreciate this gift, but anyone that's maybe, let's say 18 or older, male or female, will. And that is this juicer, okay? This juicer is the bomb.com. I did my research a few months ago because I was looking for a juicer. I was like, okay, I'm tired of drinking all this water and tea and coffee. I want to drink juice, but I don't want to go and buy, you know, all the high fructose corn syrup juice that's on the market that says natural, but we know that it's not, it's pureed. So I found this one and it had a lot of great reviews. And when I found it, I fell in love with it. I told my friends about it. They fell in love with it. So I said, let me tell my friends on the internet so y'all can know that this exists and it's really a good purchase. So this is what it looks like. And it only has 4 buttons: reverse, soft, hard, off. Super easy. And so this this pops off. And what I was gonna say is I like it because it doesn't have 50 million thousand pieces. It only has a few pieces. So I'm gonna disassemble it real quick so you can see. So you press this little button here, press this button here, and then this pops off. So this is like the main piece that is going to turn your fruits and veggies into juice. And this is a masticating machine, by the way. So you twist this off, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces. And when I finish juicing, I really only have to rinse this out. I still wash it, but a good rinse gets it completely clean. This becomes completely clean. You push that back in there. The only thing that you really have to clean is this, but it comes with a little brush that makes it super easy. And what I find is if I clean it right away, I have no issues, which I'm like that with all my appliances, you know, my NutriBullet, everything. I like to clean it right away. But you see how easy this is to assemble, as well as how easy it is to disassemble. Love it, okay? So this is a really good find if you are looking for someone who is very picky or they have everything. I'm pretty sure they're gonna be able to appreciate this because the juice that you can make with this, oh my gosh. That plus this, you're gonna change somebody's life. Okay, I'm sorry, I just jumped into this video. I didn't even speak, but hi, my name is Wayna. I make videos on rental-friendly interior design, but today we're talking about some real quick gifts that you can get from Amazon for pretty much anybody. Any adult, shall I say, not anybody, because this, I don't think the kids will really appreciate this, but this is a good alternative if you have hyper kids, I'm just saying. All right, the next item is these nice little fuzzy wuzzy was a bear slippers. These have memory foam in them. I love them. Like the color. I like the color. And I actually have them in black. See? They're in black. I like these slippers. They have a nice little rubber sole on the bottom, memory foam in the inside. You can step on the back of them if you don't want to put your foot all the way in it. But if you are, you know, a little chill, or if you want your foot to be all the way enclosed, you can put your foot in there and it's like a little house shoe. Okay, it's a shoe for the house. I think this is a great gift. It comes in a lot of different colors and a lot of different sizes. Now, the next item that I have on my list is probably for women, but doesn't have to be. I mean, you know, people wear whatever they want nowadays, but I probably talked about this in another video. If I haven't, I probably will soon. These shoes are amazing, okay? I purchased these shoes a few months back, as you can see by the bottom of them. But I love these shoes. They are so comfortable and they're casual, so I can throw them on with anything. I think I had these on with this outfit. I just have on some black ripped jeans, white top, and a little blazer. You know, it's Thursday. I'm not doing much. I went to my son's basketball game. But I like these shoes so much and they're so comfortable. I don't know if it's because they have a bunch of little circles on the bottom, but it feels like I'm walking on clouds. And I think that they're pretty stylish, in my opinion. I like them. Affordable and stylish. I think a few people would like these. Doesn't have to just, you know, be a certain age group. I think they're cute, but they feel good. The next item that I think anybody who works long shifts will appreciate. Being that I have worked so hard sometimes to the point where the next day I didn't even have enough energy, or my feet hurt so bad I didn't even want to get up and make myself something to eat. I would have appreciated these when I was working long 12-hour shifts. So these compression boots are a lifesaver. And if you are in healthcare, then you know that we put these on our patients if they're bedridden. Doctors write orders for these. Nurses need these too. These are amazing. And who would ever thought that you can buy it on Amazon? So what this is basically a compression and heat boot for your feet, your ankles, and your calves. And you can turn this on and adjust the heat and the pressure and the type of circulation that you want. And you also can control the air pressure. So if you want the compression to be really tight, then you can turn it up to the max. Or if you just want a nice little, you know, soft squeeze on your legs, then you can, you know, set it to the minimum. But this is amazing. I'm telling you, this is part of my self-care routine. Okay, I bought it for Bay for his birthday because he's in public service too. And he's standing up all day. He's an officer, so he has the heavy, you know, vest on and a gun belt and all this stuff, and it's really, really heavy on his legs. So I got him this for his birthday, but I'll be using it too. I'll be using it too. I have one more thing that I think is so relaxing. It is something that I was introduced to when I went to get my lashes done. I was laying on the bed and I'm like, whoa, this bed is vibrating and is warm. So this is a massage mat, and it has basically some vibrating pads all throughout. It will vibrate all the way up from your shoulders down to like where your feet are. So it has this attachment for the neck. And you can put this on a chair and this actually moves. This doesn't provide heat, but the actual mat does. So this is vibrating with heat. It hit different when you turn the heat on. And this one is just the neck. Now, sometimes I don't use this. I just use the pad, and I like to like sit up on the incline if I'm working and I got the boots on. But if you wanted to use this separately, you could actually just hook it up straight to this headrest, and say I wanted to relax here, I could set this up here. Here's the port. I disconnect the port to the mat, and then I hook it up to this one, plug it in, and then there's a button on the side right here. I press this button, and then I can get a quick neck massage like that. See, I could just be like this. Yeah, nice. So yeah, this is the GOAT of self-care. I think that all of these items actually could fall under self-care, okay? Because you need to care for your feet, you need to hydrate yourself, you need to relax your body, and who doesn't like fresh squeezed juice? Not to mention, if you go to the store and buy it, it is extremely expensive. So yeah, if you're looking to buy anybody some nice gifts, or if you need someone to get you something, then send them this video so they can put it on their to-do list and get you the gift that is gonna keep giving for this holiday season. That is all my Amazon recommendations and things that I personally love. And if you're a family member watching this, you might get one of these gifts because I feel like they work for everybody. So thanks for watching, and don't forget, as always, be you, be beautiful, be chic, on a budget, and I will see you on my next upload. Watch some more videos. Later, boo.
Very Merry Christmas to you.